This is a public service announcement. Learn copy. All right, learn copy. When I was 23 years old, I was living in my mom's basement. I got stuck there, right? I had no money, I was broke, I couldn't afford my rent, so I had to move back home. My mom took me in, put me in the basement. I used to keep 3 blankets just to keep warm down there. I couldn't sleep a wink the first night. And I'm literally like sleeping there and I'm like, this cannot get any worse in my life. And the next morning, I'm still sleeping, my mom yells down, Jason! What, Mom? She goes, hey honey, I have a plumber coming this afternoon, so I need you to be home to let him in. There's laundry I need you to move from the washer to the dryer, and there's groceries on the kitchen table. I need you to put them in the fridge. All right, 23 years old, I was literally had become my mom's fucking personal assistant. Or at least I was on like the cusp of it. It almost happened, all right? No fucking way. You see me searching for, no way. There's no fucking way I'm gonna let my life turn out like that. There was no way. I had to find a way out. What could I do? How can I get out of this, right? I'm a college dropout. I don't have a degree. I'm not connected to some rich fucking uncle or family friend who can get me. No. Give me a job? No. And I don't want to have a fucking job. I don't want to have a fucking boss. I don't want to drive in rush hour traffic. I don't want to never see my fucking family. I don't want any of that. What the fuck am I gonna do? And you know what I did? I found copywriting, my fucking savior, my grace, my best friend. And within 9 months, I was a millionaire. And I had a Porsche. And then I moved into the Hollywood Hills. And then I got more fancy cars like Aston Martins, right? And now I have, 30 years old, I have a mansion on the beach here, right? This house is 7,000 square feet. It goes back over there. And that's the fucking ocean right there. There's billionaires. They live right there across the water, right? Like, this is where I fucking live now. Sold over $40 million, excuse me, in sales online before the age of 30. All copywriting. The public service announcement, as I said at the beginning of this video, learn copy. We're going into 2019 right now. I think if you're not making a full fucking commitment to learning copy and you want to make money online and you're not learning copy, you're fucking foolish. You're fucking absurd. You're fucking ridiculous. You're not paying attention at all. You got your head in the fucking sand like a fucking ostrich, and let me tell you, ostriches don't get rich. All right? Copywriters get rich. My buddy Mr. X, right, the copy chief at Agora Financial. Agora Financial does they're gonna do $300 million in 2018 online. All right, show me a fucking small business online that's doing 300 million bucks. Very, very few of them. All right, almost none. Selling courses, selling newsletters, selling information. No one's touching that. Agora, the whole company, $1.5 billion in 2018. They might do $2 billion next year in 2019. It's all copywriting. All right, Mr. X, my friend who's the copy chief at Agora, his real name's Ryan, don't tell anybody. One of the first letters that he wrote in copy, one of the first sales letters he wrote, made $30 million. He got royalties on that. He took the cash, the check he made in royalties from one sales video and bought a house in cash. Copywriting, all right? Copywriting. Copywriting is like oxygen for the internet, all right? It is everywhere, but sometimes you don't see it until someone points it out for you, right? Facebook ads, that's copy. YouTube titles, clickbait shit, that's copy. Instagram captions, that's copy. Email marketing, that's copy. And then all the things you already know are copy, right? Webinars and video sales letters and sales pages and upsells and even closing on the phone. The fucking words you say, guess what? That's copy, right? Copy is the messaging. I don't even call it copywriting. You notice I don't say, because it's not just about writing. It's about speaking. The words I'm saying to you, I'm selling you an idea right now, right? Copy is not just about selling products and services. We sell ideas. We sell dreams. We sell hopes. We sell removal of problems. We sell a whole new you. We sell everything. Copy sells everything. And if you tell me, Jason, I don't believe you that we sell everything, that's what copy is, guess what? You're fucking selling me on the idea that copy isn't selling, therefore you are selling, and I'm selling you in reverse right now. We're all selling all the time. And in 2019, I believe there is no more important skill you could ever possibly learn than copy. To me, copy is like the ultimate skill. Right, because once you get good at copy, you make money from your laptop. That's easy. But it's a skill that transcends everywhere, right? Because you learn how to persuade, you learn psychology. You learn, if you get good at copy, you know how to get people to beg you to sell them shit that they don't even need, right? So you got to have some ethics when you learn copy. But with that skill and that psychology and that understanding, don't you think you can have better relationships with people? Persuade people to do things, win people over to your way of thinking, speak to an audience, make them fucking give you a standing applause? Right, say words that pierce people through the fucking heart and make them feel what you want to feel. Copy is it's the ultimate fucking skill. It's the thing. Do you see me get this passionate talking about fucking sales and other shit? Fuck no. Copy, all right, copy. So we're coming to the end of this public service announcement. I'm literally standing in my backyard over the ocean just ranting and raving about how important copy is. That's literally what's happening right now. I hope you're aware of this fact, okay? Learn copy. Why would I do all this? Learn copy. I need you to learn copy. I want you to learn copy. I want you to fucking make all the money you want in 2019. I want you to have all the fun and the freedom you want. And here's the thing. If you're like selling people on the phone, you can only talk to one person at a time, right? And let's say each sale you make makes $100, right? Even let's say more. Say you make $200 on every sale you make, and you get to talk to 8 people a day, each for an hour, and you close half of them, which would be a really good close rate. You made $800 that day. But you spent 8 fucking hours doing it, so you come home, you're exhausted. You gotta hear people's problems all day on the phone. Fuck that. You know what copy is? I write words on my laptop for a couple days once. I publish it on the internet, and then money comes in. And then I can do this as many times as I want, and more money comes in. I generated over $40 million before the age of 30 doing that. Right, so I work for a couple days, and then I go make a bunch of money. It just comes in passively while I sleep, automatically all the fucking time. While that person who's gotta sell on the phone or sell in person, they gotta work for every dollar they make. They're trading hours for dollars on everything. Copy is the ultimate skill. Learn fucking copy. So here's the thing. There is a link below this video. Don't click it yet. All right, don't click it yet. I am on a mission right now in 2019 because here's something I learned from Mr. X at Agora. All right, and what I learned is that the fastest way for a company to grow is to get more copywriters. And I didn't believe that until I saw how fast Agora grew. And I go, fuck, that's correct. Right? I'm a fucking student for life. I'm always learning, and that is fact. So I'm on a mission for more copywriters right now. So I had that idea come in from Mr. X. And then I started watching a bunch of the Avengers movies. And these ideas had idea sex, and an idea baby was born. And here's the idea baby. I'm not on a mission just for copywriters. I am on a mission. I'm putting together a team of remarkable people who want to master this #1 high-income skill called copy and get richer than God in the process and make their fucking mark on the world in 2019. Right, I'm putting together my own Avengers team. I'm looking for a Thor. I need a Hulk, right? We always need a Hulk. I'm looking for a Groot. I'm looking for a Black Panther. I'm looking for who wants to be Thanos, right? We need a bad guy too. I'm looking for a Loki. I'm looking for all of them, right? I'm putting together a team. And what I mean when I say a team is you're gonna be writing copy for me. I'm looking for people who wanna write copy for me. Actually write copy, get in on the action with me, make a bunch of money with me, get mentored by me, like be on my fucking team and roll with me. That's what I'm looking for. Will everyone make it? Fuck no. Right? You gotta be good. You gotta have raw talent. You gotta have the right shit going on between your ears and the fucking heart beating. I need that, all right? So if you think that might be you, then I really, really want you to get in my Capital Copywriting certification because the only people I'm gonna be choosing to write copy for me and join my Avengers team are people who I know have been trained by me and Mr. X from Agora, which is, both of us are gonna be teaching the copywriting certification. So that is what the link below means. Don't click it if you don't want it in that. But if you want to be a part of my copy team, you want to get in on the action with me, you want to master fucking copywriting, you want to make a bunch of fucking money in 2019 and have a skill that will make you rich in 2020 and 2021 and so on for the rest of your life so you never have any fucking rat race bullshit, no fluorescent light bulbs, never be your mom's fucking personal assistant like I almost was, then click that fucking link, read the page, I wrote copy for you, read every fucking word, study it if you want, but if it speaks to you, then don't let fucking fear or skepticism doubt you. If it speaks to you, get your ass into class with me and let's fucking go. I'll see you later. Peace.